Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I am back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial guys, we will learn how to enable and disable auto update apps on your Microsoft Store in your Windows 11. So for this guys, first you need to open the Microsoft Store on your PC. After opening, in the top right side here you can get your profile picture. As you can see, just click on it. From here you need to open the app settings. Okay, in the app settings here you can get the option app updates. If you want to update the app automatically on your Microsoft Store, just you need to enable this option like this. If you want to stop auto update apps on your Microsoft Store, just you need to disable this option. From here you can easily enable and disable the auto update apps on your Windows 11. So that's it for today guys. It's a short and very simple video. Hope you enjoy this. If you enjoy, please guys don't go back without like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.